Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Today we are going to eat.
BULDAK.
Yeah. It's so spicy.
There's a rice, but we are not gonna eat these rices.
I'm ready. This is so spicy.
So
Where first?
I'm not gonna eat those. Only the BULDAK.
Ketchup baby. Please try first.
So actually I try 2 times. So it's a third time, but I'm still not get this. So
I'm eating too.
let's go. 3, 2,
What's it?
1.
Also spicy.
TV. If you're not gonna eat that, I won't eat for you. Actually, BULDAK is really tasty, but it's very delicious. But it's so spicy.
What the?
Oh my god. Sorry, but I'm not gonna drink of water because of the challenge.
And BULDAK is so spicy. Noodle.
오케이. 그 있잖아, 그 킹이는 말하면 안 돼. 물어서 말하면 안 돼. 응.
Are you okay?
응. 아. Sorry. Water is not enough. Water is not enough, so ice cube. Just like a.
you can go the 2 likes. That is great. Bye bye.
If we finish, let's say,
Short video.
do you know why I'm doing this? Because, okay, because actually now I have I have 13 subscribers, so like it's like celebrating. And
You know what?
for you, happy. Now it's more better. Oh my god. I need some rest. Okay,
It's so spicy.
oh,
You can try out the BULDAK, the spicy noodle. In Korea. They have in
hey,
India
but
too.
it's really tasty. It means very delicious.
Yeah, and this is spicy.
But there's a cheese version.
Yeah,
Well,
that is nice.
that's also spicy.
Yeah.
Not like this spicy. Just a little bit. Like
No more.
cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a little spicy.
But
That
yeah.
warm.
I think I'm good at eating something really spicy, so I tried it.
I'm not gonna eat it spicy. But
Oh.
this video likes is good. I try something spicy for something
Oh.
else.
If I go to
Oh.
100 subscribers or 50 subscribers, I'm gonna try a double of it.
Yeah.
So
Double spice.
yeah. So please subscribe and please click the like button and see you at Thursday. Bye. Ah god. Bye. Please subscribe. And thank you for 30 subscribers. Woohoo! Bye.